Mina, welcome back. We're gonna do a quick pour for you today. I don't know if you saw the other one I did the other day, Space Feathers, but that one was really fun. It was really awesome. So I started doing a play on that. I changed up, instead of the permanent deep violet, I'm using permanent maroon today. So I have Artist Loft Black, Golden's permanent maroon, Prussian blue, Golden's pearl, 24 karat gold from Deco Art, and I think that's it. Okay, so I have a black background, which is Artist Loft Black Flow Acrylic and Deco Art Satin Enamels Black. And I also have the same thing in white, Deco Art Satin Enamels White with Deco Art Flow Acrylic, or sorry, Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. Okay, here we go. We're gonna do like a two-step stretch, kind of, I don't know, wandering straight pour. Here we go. It's very windy today. Doing this twist thing lately is sort of fun. Woo. Hello, Gail. Got a lot of fun down here. I don't mind if I leave some of it black though. Leave that like that. Cool. I'm gonna go get the camera and bring in for some close-ups. That's pretty cool. Look at that cup. It's so pretty. Okay, here we go. You can hear the wind. Pretty layers. Cells. That's pretty neat. I like this part on the side too. More of that sort of space feathers. Although this one sort of, I think it goes this way. No. Maybe it does go this way. It could go this way. Anyways, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I'll show you when it's dry. I poured this one a few days ago. It's a little weird in the middle, so we're gonna pour on top of it. I just did another painting and I just scraped my drip sock off the table. That's what this is. So I'm gonna stir that up a little bit, add some water to it, and I'm gonna use it as my base coat for this one right now. Okay, that's good. So we're gonna pour this on here. And I like using the drips, especially with black, because, and I've used gold in there too, so it gets very sparkly. It's very metallic-y. You get this really cool effect on your as a base coat. It's really neat if it comes through as a background. Okay. It's good. It's good. Okay. So this is the same colors I was using before with Golden's Permanent Maroon and Prussian Blue. This is Artist Loft Black mixed with Deco Art Satin Enamels Black. Well, this one is all of those colors. What's in my cup? This cup. Okay. Here we go. We're going to do a same wandering sort of ring pour again. Not ring pour, straight pour. Woo! Hello, Gail. That's really pretty. Take some of that bottom off. Some of that solid one. And that's really cool. Stick it down a bit to the middle. Okay, I will show you guys when it's dry. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I just want to show you guys a close-up real quick. Some of these are really, really pretty. Those edges and corners. Really cool. I love these cells right there. That's so cool. Yay! So I guess Space Feathers fever continues. But this is fun. I'm going to turn it. This one goes this way. And now I have paint all over my hand. Okay. So I will show you guys when it's dry. Okay, so this is actually a few weeks later. These are the Gemini, the twins, Castor and Pollox. Very cool story about these two. Their mother was Leda, the Queen of Sparta, and she was off by a lake, and Zeus saw her and thought she was beautiful, and so he turned himself into a swan and he seduced her. Naughty, naughty Zeus, you know. Anyways, so one son was born mortal, Castor. That's this painting over here. And the other one was Pollux, and he was immortal because he was Zeus's son. So all the stories about these two, they were, you know, patron saints of horsemen and craftsmen and warriors, and they took care of sailors stuck out at sea and provided fair winds. They were pretty cool guys, and they really, you know, enjoyed each other and loved each other a lot as brothers. And on one of these adventures, Castor died, and Pollux was so overcome with grief that he went to Zeus and he begged to share his immortality with his brother. And Zeus, in a rare moment of compassion, actually agreed. So he set them up in the heavens as the Gemini, as the twins, to be up there, and also to share their time between the underworld and between Olympus, where the gods lived. So, a pretty cool story. But the thing is, the biggest thing about them was that they, you know, really, really loved each other as brothers. That's what they're most known for. I love this part. Look at it here. Oh my goodness. Cells floating. So I did actually put a coat of spray varnish on these because they really needed it. They needed that. Gold is just so shimmery and blingy right now and just gorgeous. And the varnish has really brought that out. So when you're using darker backgrounds, you know, be prepared that you might want to varnish it, because they might dry a little bit dark, and it just pops so much more now with the varnish on them. So this was really, really fun. I love these colors in here. Just beautiful cells. And that permanent maroon. Amazing. With the Prussian blue up here. And gold. And the black. And this is, you see in the black over here, you see all these little cells. Can you see them? I hope you can see them. But that's also, those were our drips. Remember, we used drips on one of them. I forget which one I did first. I love these two. I love how they turned out. I love that they're all shimmery and sparkly, and those cells are popping on that dark background. It's just beautiful. So this is the start of one of our Constellations series that we're going to be doing for each of the signs of the Zodiac. And this one is Gemini. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you play and have a good time, and I hope you have a really beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. If you want to see more of my stuff, you can check it out on Facebook at Mina Villegas Art. We also have an Etsy shop, which I will be putting this series up in Etsy for you guys. And there's a link in the description box for a PayPal me if you'd like to be a patron of the arts. I would greatly appreciate it. I'll see you for the next constellation. What's your zodiac sign? I'll see you guys soon. Bye.